working on my car finally. I'm gonna be installing their 1320 shifter. As you guys can see, I am falling behind my car. I've just been so busy with everything, and then just try to catch up on everything. So I went ahead and dropped my shifter already, pulled the center console out, and then I'll show you guys on the update on where my car is at, so you guys can see where I'm at with it too. The engine is in the car now, so I didn't record anything about doing my harness, so this is still the OE harness. So what I did was I still gotta do work on this one, so I gotta depin this one and then re-lume everything on this side right here. But then as you guys can see, this is my harness that I redid, depin everything and then re-lume everything, so it's a lot cleaner now. So as you guys can see, I did extend the injectors too, so that I could run it underneath my intake. And now I'm running the chase bay lines, which I gotta crack it open and then turn it because it's hitting my manifold. That's gonna cause issue later. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix that right there. But otherwise, yep, I'm gonna be installing the shifter. So you gotta drill the you gotta drill into here with for the bracket. So I'll just show you guys what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah, guys, you do have to run solid motor mount. So I'm running 85A on it. So I'm running a race mounts on it. So it's gonna vibrate a lot, but then I already know that. So I Loctite everything on my car, and nothing's gonna come off. But anyways, I got the linkage torn apart already. So this guy right here, I'll not be using this guy, so this guy is the support for the shifter, and it doesn't require to use it. So I gotta get this guy, get it mounted on there, and then drill out the hose, and then we'll figure out from there. So just try to be as center as possible with it. I'm using a 5/16 drill bit. Alright guys, so I got my Loctite on there. So I am using it's kind of like a glue stick style, so it works pretty good. So it's pretty thick too, so just a little dab on it. We're gonna go ahead and get this guy mounted on there. Go ahead and tighten it down. Seems like everything's tight. We're gonna go ahead and wipe it. Rag, just wipe this guy down. And then one thing I didn't like was these little adjustment screws right here. It sucks. I lost my nut right here, but then I have extras, so I will just put a new nut on there. And then it definitely needs like a lock washer on there too. So I'm gonna put a lock washer on it if I can. If I can't, then it's kind of out of luck. But we'll see what happens. So we're gonna get one screw started, and then we'll see if I can get underneath it and then tighten it. Okay guys, so came across some issue when I installed this guy. So as you guys can look here, so if you look there, I had to pound right there and have to change up the put a smaller lock washer on there. I have to punch there to get that guy in. These two guys went in fine. So the Integra framing here, it has like a double wall right here, but this inner wall here is pretty thin, so I just pound it. So this guy is gonna just come and sit about something like that. Slide his boot on here, because I do still want this boot on here. So I'm just gonna go for underneath here and up. So hoping this boot doesn't cause any issues, so we'll see what happens. I'm gonna have to make a slit on there so that it'll go around. Alrighty guys, so I had made a little slit right here and a little slit on the other side. My boot's on there, so this should somewhat reduce the noise. And then I might just put a zip tie around here to close it up, and then we'll see from there. Okay guys, so after we get this guy installed, so we're gonna have to adjust the shifter. So what I'm gonna do is back out these little screws right here. I don't want it too loose. Okay, so that feels pretty good to me. I like my my first gear, second gear pretty tight. So as you guys can see, if I barely move it slight left, and it'll go into first gear, second, third, fourth, and then fifth. I left it with a wider right turn so that if you do have to get into fifth gear, or if you're slamming it into fifth gear, you could just pop to the right and it goes right in gear. But this shifter is super stiff, so I'm gonna go ahead and button up the tensions on these guys right here and then tighten it down. Okay guys, so this comes with the insert for the shift knob. So I did put a little Loctite on here because, like I say, I don't want nothing to come loose on me. Snug it down. So go ahead and put my shifter nut, my locking nut. So that's how it'll go on. As you can see, and then the knob will go top. So if you guys have run a universal shift knob, I like my carbon fiber shift knob, so it'll kind of set up like this. So you'll run it down until your shift knob gets tight. So go until my shift knob is nice and centered. Twist it up, and then we're gonna go ahead and lock it. Alright, so we're just gonna go ahead and lock it up, and that's pretty simple. Just hold your shift knob and then twist the nut. You practically want to loosen the nut so it will jam the shift, it will lock the shift knob. And that's it guys. The height feels about like the same thing as the K-tune shifter. I like it up a little bit higher like this. Feels pretty comfortable. It's very stiff. It's the way I like it. Alright guys, so this is where I'm at with the car. So as you guys see, the engine's mounted in. I got so this harness I re-loomed it myself, so I depinned every wire. Yes, I did labeled it too, so that I know that's mine. I label out almost everything on it. So the VTEC, even though I locked out my VTEC, I didn't want to disable this guy, so I'm just gonna pull this guy back and just zip tie it down since I'm not using it. But then later on in the future, if I do decide right wire, I'll just delete this wire off completely and I just use this for another car. So I am running the Ultra Race, so if you guys are following, 4-bar map, and then I'm also running a Speed Factory TPMS 2, so which is located on the bottom side. But yeah, I'm gonna walk around my Bride, running Bride seats, and my seatbelt are expired 2019, so car sat kind of long. The new shifter, I am gonna be running a quick release on it, so this guy's gonna be gone. The tack is old school because I had this car ever since I was 16, and that was like 15 years ago, and I'm gonna be deleting that, and I'm gonna be running a digital dash. And then the car is caged, guys, so let me fold the seat down. The car is caged, so I just kept it with the steel look. So what we did was we clear coated after we got done. So this is my center console. I left my carpet alone. It's just a cover, honestly. I mean, it's just, there you go. I like to have it all covered up because I don't like it all naked. And I left all my panels in because I like how it's fully looks cleaner with the panels in instead of butt naked from behind. And now I am running the discontinue Cusco X bar. So I got this from my uncle's friend. Very, very rare. It has a carbon fiber crossover on the bottom, and this one is really hard to find. Impossible. A lot of people don't have it. A lot of people ask me where I got it from, but super discontinue. That's about it. Hopefully you guys like it. Like, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what do you guys think. But that's about it for today. So hopefully this helped out with the installation on the 1320. Definitely got to measure out everything too, because a lot of people has mixed review on it. I see the problem with it too, so it's just that little part that I was showing you guys earlier, that depending on the body and stuff that. But then that's about it for today, guys. So like, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next time. Comment down below what do you guys think too, and then follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys later.